here is the cabin. We're just packing up our bags, so there's stuff around the place, but it's a fairly nice cabin. Comes equipped with all the mod cons, fridge, aircon. Hello, Gracie.
I just dropped my MacBook battery.
It's got a new battery for her MacBook Pro.
I just dropped my charger there. Maybe an charger. Oh, that's so nice.
And then down the stairs you've got the galley, little kitchen.
Don't forget the wheel here. The wheel.
Yep, the steering wheel. And then up towards the bow you've got a front quarters. And there's a bathroom in there, very compact little bathroom. Yes, they are. And there's the 2 single bed quarters, which I think is where the caretakers usually stay. And then, finally, at the aft, you have the so-called master captain's cabin, which is where we've been staying. And it's quite nice. It's the place. It's like a shower thing. Sort of half sit, half stand. And your own toilet. And vanity. And that's a wrap.